Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the World Cup track 2013 in Vallnord, Andorra. Then fasten your seatbelt, I'm going to show you the track. Well, we're here at the start of the downhill, the World Cup in Andorra. Then this is going to be basically the start, and it's this direction. Here we are, this is a World Cup track. As you can see, fully technical, and yeah, we are waiting for you guys to come here and enjoy the party. Mountain bike party in the beautiful Vallnord, Andorra. It's going to be awesome, and yeah, it's going to be probably the best World Cup it is in the world. See you later.